That's a PAMY right there. 018-20849. 310 tons. It's a small ship. And then we got another one, which is a huge ship, which is coming down towards the BERCY bridge. BELONGA. That's a BELONGA. That's a BELONGA. Shanxi second. That's a BELONGA. 1,321 tons, 81 by 8.2. That's a width. BELONGA. Yeah, they are racing now. The BELONGA and PAMY over there. BELONGA. It's quite a big ship, 1,321 tons. And then Diamond. We've got Diamond, which is coming up there. Right there, right there, right there. People having good time. BELONGA and PAMY entering the BERCY bridge. Wow, people are eating, huh? You see. Diamond 2. Wow. People having good time. Wow, the captain over there. Right. As you can see. Look. Oh yeah. The tables and everything. And the restaurant at the back. Yeah, that's Diamond 2. And that's over there, that's BELONGA. BELONGA and PAMY. PAMY is leading. PAMY is leading. Entering BERCY bridge. And this is BELONGA. BELONGA and PAMY under the bridge. Over there. Alright. Just to remind you guys that this is a BERCY Seine side of Paris. And then we have Josephine Baker, that's his swimming pool ship, La Piscine. P017276F. Papa 017276 Foxtrot. Okay, that's BELONGA and PAMY racing. And over there, that is the Minister of Economy here. All right, it's quite busy here. It's very busy, very busy, very busy. Oh.